So here we have a brand new streaming application, brand new for 2024, giving you access to hundreds of live TV content, all properly categorized with a fully working program guide that you can enjoy on your Firestick, on your Android TVs. Now, this application is absolutely free, doesn't require any kind of registration, no usernames, no passwords. The application has a superb interface. I'm not using any VPN, and the application even has a large library of VOD content. So all of this video on demand content plus all of that live TV content in a brand new application that I'm sure you'll enjoy on all of your devices. All you need to do is just hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. And here we can just see the application on the official Google Play Store. It's already had more than 1 million downloads. We can see TCL Plus is your ultimate free multimedia entertainment software, giving you access to hundreds of live TV channels and thousands of movies and TV shows are included with this application. And it also has that fully working program guide, so you know exactly what's on now, what's coming up next, and it really is a great way for you to enjoy all of this amazing content. Let's now jump over to my third generation Fire TV Cube and let me give you a quick tour of this application. So I'm doing my demonstration on the third generation Fire TV Cube, but you can follow this process on any other Fire Stick, Fire TV, or even Android TV device. Now, when you start the application for the first time, you can see it has a really nice clean interface. It takes you straight into the live TV content, but before you start browsing, I do recommend if you go to the left, press left again, and let's now go into the settings because there is an option here where you can limit the ad tracking, and I do recommend, just for your privacy, just to ensure that the adverts you see are minimal, I would recommend going down into the ad tracking and turn on this option. So you're basically limiting how many ads or the type of ads you see. So they're going to be generic adverts, not personalized to your particular browsing or viewing preferences. Once you've done that, let's now press back. Let's now go back into home, and we are now looking at this large library of these channels. Now we can see they are properly categorized. So starting at the top, we have the TCL top 10. So some of the top channels in here. And because of that fully working program guide, I can see this is Murder, She Wrote, this is Deal or No Deal, and so on and so forth. I can go down in the list here, and we can see what's on now. Here, for example, is American Ninja Warrior. After that is some more American Ninja Warrior. I think this is actually the Ninja Warrior channel. But for example, if I click on that, give that a second, and we can see, because it is a live broadcast, we are taken straight into that channel, and that's working absolutely fine. And I can confirm that's a high definition HD picture. Now, when you're inside the channel, if you press the select button, we can see some information about the channel. You can also add the channel into your favorite list. So if I click on this star here, that should now add the channel into my favorites. And you can also then enable the closed captions if you want to. Now, also whilst you're in your channel, if you press up and down on the remote, this will also allow you to navigate to the next channel. So a more cable TV-like experience, and that's working great. Let's press back. And we can go through the channel list in here. Now, if you don't want to go through a big channel list, you can press left on the remote, left again, and we can now see the categories of these channels. So everything from bingeable TV to news, shocking true crime, trending throwbacks, lifestyle, travel, movies galore, black entertainment, animals and nature. Let's try animals and nature. So here, for example, we can see we have Dr. Chris's Pet, or Dr. Chris's Pet Vet. Let's click on that. Give that a second, and without any interruptions, without any pop-ups, and that's working great. We can see some monkeys there. Let's add that into the favorites as well. So if I press select, click on the channel list, let's add that in. Let's go back. So that was inside animals and nature. Then you got history, you got sports and outdoors. Let's try something from sports. So here's the NFL draft round 2. Let's click on that. Just to show you that it's not just one channel or one episode or one movie, as this is an official licensed application. Everything in here is working. It's working straight away. And you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this great content. Now, I've noticed that some of the channels, when you click on them, they actually start in a paused state. So you have to press play on the remote again to actually start that playback. That's working absolutely fine. And we're now looking at the draft selection. Do leave me a comment below if you are into NFL. Let's go back. So that's in that. Let's go back to the left. Then you got family. Then you got some of the regional content, the local content, local news northeast, west, south. Then you got some Spanish content, screen-worthy horror, game show mania, hit comedy, home sweet home, food fanatics. So that's in the food. So you can see, guys, lots and lots of channels, lots of categories, gearhead, fight night, anime. Because I added those two channels into my favorites, I'm hoping right near the top we can see in my favorites I've got those two channels, that pet channel, the vet channel, and also this other one here. So works absolutely fine. You don't need to browse through a big list. You can go through the list once, find the channels that you're interested in, and then just add the ones that you want to watch into your favorites. Now, that in itself, that entire application, if it was just that, would still be a superb application, particularly because it's brand new, has lots of new content. But the live TV aspect is just one aspect of this application, because if I go over to the left, let's now go back to the top and we can see where it says Your TV Plus. That's their basically VOD, video on demand section. So now we can see we have top content, top movies and TV shows that you can access directly from here. So everything from gripping drama to cowboys to action movies, shocking crime and thrillers, horror, romance, documentary. Overall, guys, just a superb application, brand new, never seen before. And the fact that you can access all of this content with no registration, no login, I'm not using any VPN, I do think it's definitely worthwhile checking out. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, I can press the home button. Let's now go over to the search, click on search, and let's now type in the word TCL. And the application you're looking for is this one here. So available directly on the Amazon App Store, as well as the Android TV Google Play Store. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this in your Amazon App Store or your Google Play Store, I will also have a copy of this application directly on my website. All you have to do is just open up Downloader, navigate to tdoctoruk.com, click on tutorials, and the tutorial at the top of the list will be how to get this new application on all of your devices. And just before you go, guys, if you are looking for the best way to hide your online activities, to change your virtual IP address, just to make sure that you stay safe online, right now there's a super special offer for a superb price of just $2.75 per month. So really at that price point, to get total protection, keep yourself safe online, get maximum privacy, nobody can track you, your ISP can't see what you're doing, you can download content, you can stream content. To get all of that at under $3 a month, I definitely think this special offer is worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support my channel and my work, so many thanks if you want to do that. Have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.